I taught him in 8th grade. What? Yeah.
Hi everyone. I'm in from the book of Negro Folklore. Well, let me tell you. It was a wet and eerie afternoon, and the knee-high man awoke to the smell of the mossy green swamp. And he got to thinking. And Mr. Horse said, "You gotta eat a whole lot of corn and run round and round and round and round. And you get big and strong just like me." Ate all that corn, ran round and round and round to the finish line. And you would thought he would got big and strong just like the horse. But all that corn made his stomach hurt. And said, "Mr. Bull, how do I get big and strong just like you?" Mr. Bull said, "You gotta eat lots and lots and lots of grass and bellow and bellow and bellow. And you get big and strong just like me." So the knee-high man bellowed and bellowed and bellowed and bellowed till he couldn't no more. And he ate all that grass, clearing out the whole field. To his final friend, the wise Mr. Who Owl, and said, "Mr. Owl, I want to get big and strong so I can get a fire and whoop." Mr. Owl looked at him curiously and said, "Will anybody ever try to pick a fight with you?" The knee-high man looked at him and said, "Nah." True strength comes from wisdom, not size.
Hear the gems, true wisdom. Say it one more time.
True strength comes from wisdom, not size.
Wow.